हाउ आर यू, कैसे हैं आप लोग? मैं नबील अहमद, HSC प्रोफेशनल. टुडे इज़ द फ्राइडे and this is the weekend day for me and for all those who are working the Saudi Arabia. This is the day of the weekend. तो आज कोई स्पेशल मैं किसी टॉपिक पे वीडियो नहीं शूट कर रहा हूँ, बट दिस इज़ द पार्ट ऑफ द सेफ्टी. इसमें मैं ये सेफ्टी से भी रिलेटेड हो सकता है, because of the work stress is the bad influence all the imply. तो आप लोगों को पता ही है कि कितना लोड होता है, वर्क लोड होता है, स्पेशली फॉर द सेफ्टी पर्सनल्स. ये करना है, वो करना है, बट अगर हम थोड़ा सा भी अगर रिफ़्रेश होते हैं तो एनर्जेटिक इस डे में, तो फिर से जो हमारा फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक होगा वो एनर्जेटिक हो सकता है. सो ओके, जस्ट मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि आज जो है वो टुडे इज़ द वीकेंड डे. सो वी नो दैट थाउजेंड ऑफ पीपल्स आर द सफ़र फ्रॉम द वर्क प्लेस स्ट्रेस. वर्क प्लेस स्ट्रेस इज़ द रियली इज़ द बैड इफेक्ट ऑन आवर हेल्थ. बट वी कैन एक्चुअली डू मिनिमाइज स्ट्रेस. हम लोग कर सकते हैं, वी कैन डू मिनिमाइज द स्ट्रेस. देयर इज सो मेनी द टूल्स एंड स्ट्रेटजीज एंड रेसिप्स हैविंग्स, बट व्हाट एवर माई व्यू, just I want to share to you, to all of you. So we all we all wait and look forward the weekend, which is the optional time to have fun. And तो हम लोगों को पता है कि हम लोग वेट करते हैं आगे जो वीकेंड के लिए, कि जो which is the very optional time, बहुत ही मतलब optional time है to have the fun and relieve stress. This will be the really the vital the part of the day. So that's why we have to do some things which can be helps to enhance and increase our happiness in these days. So therefore I always want to take a more strategic approach to weekend in order to increase my enjoyment, relaxation and regeneration. So हमेशा मैं ये चाहता हूँ कि ज़्यादा स्ट्रेटेजिक अप्रोच हो, जिस इस वीकेंड में हम इंक्रीज़ करने के लिए अपना एंजॉयमेंट, ओके, रिलैक्सेशन और रीजनरेशन के लिए, कि फिर से हम फर्स्ट डे ऑफ द वीक मैं स्टार्ट करूँगा, जो फर्स्ट ऑफ द वर्किंग डे होगा, जो उस डेट में फिर से हम एनर्जेटिक हों. सो द सम ऑफ द थिंग्स एंड रेसिपी वी नीड टू कंसीडर which could be help in order to de-stressing. कुछ ऐसा चीज़ है जिस पे कंसिडर करते हैं तो हम de-stressing मतलब एलिमिनेट कर सकते हैं स्ट्रेस को. और आपको पता है कि स्ट्रेस इज़ द नॉट द कमिंग फ्रॉम द वन वे. इफ़ यू आर विद इन द ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ऑन द वर्क प्लेस, especially for the safety personnel, this is the coming from the different way, here and here, from the worker, from the management, from the client, from the customers. So this is the some things and recipes we need to consider. If we are talking about what things for the consideration, the first, avoid the social media work balance on your weekend. अगर आप वीकेंड पे कोई भी काम अगर आपका बैलेंस है तो डोंट ट्राई टू डू ऑन द वीकेंड डे. एंड स्पेशली यू शुड बी स्टे अवे फ्रॉम द सोशल मीडिया. डोंट गो नियर द सोशल मीडिया. द सेकेंड, द स्पेंड टाइम विद द फ्रेंड एंड योर फैमिली. दिस इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. इफ यू विल स्पेंड योर टाइम with your family, with your friends, this is also the one is very the powerful energy which helps to enhance our happiness. So we are the social human beings, so we must be go out and meet with some friends and with our family. This is also very important. Second and third, the exercise. Exercise this is the normal, but here also the first part of I can put the first part of the work on your weekend. आप कर सकते हैं. We know that this helps in our the mental and physical benefit of exercise. ये हमारे मेंटल को भी और हमारे फिजिकल को भी स्ट्रॉन्ग बनाता है, जिसकी वजह से आपको हैप्पी मिल सकता है. तो अगर आप कुछ भी कर सकते हैं एक्सरसाइज में, इट्स नॉट द इम्पोर्टेंट कि जस्ट यू हैव टू गो टू द जिम, गो टू द एक्सरसाइज द पर्टिकुलर प्लेस. नो नीड. इफ यू वांट टू एक्सरसाइज, so you can do in your home. You can play with your kids, and if you want to go to the park, if you want to like the swimmings and walking in the park, whatever you want, you can do it in the form of the exercise. The fourth, the get outside. It is too common to spend the most of time inside on the weekend day. This is the general is, we look the most of people, even me, I want to spend full time in the sleeping mood. I want sleep, I like the sleep, but the sleeping is not the only one good way as to spend your time. But you should be get out from the homes. You should go out from your home in the open atmosphere, in the good weathers, and whatever the good or bad weathers, you don't care. You should not be care. You should go outside. You should go outside from your home and take the breath and enjoy the outside the life. Whatever you can do the outside. Either you're going to the mall, wherever. But you should be go outside. Don't spend your times on the weekend in front of the computer, in front of just they spend your times full day in the sleeping. So it's not a good. So use the weekend to get outdoor and enjoy the fresh air. The airs contain the oxygen that will be help and trigger your happiness, and that is also very important. You should not be stay on the weekend in your home. You should be go out. Okay. And if you are talking about the fifth, enjoy good food and drinks. The food, drinks, whatever, this is also very important. Make the plan with your family, what kinds of recipe you like. You can tell to your friend, we can tell to your the family members. If you are living with a family, you can make the plan with your friends to cook the good recipe. And also if you want to go outside to the restaurant, that is also one the good plannings. So you should do the some special on this day. Even yourself, if you want to cook by yourself, you know how to the cook. So try to the cook good meals which you like, and eat and drinks together with your family, together with your friends on this weekend. I think weekends meals as a special treat to the enhance happiness. Really, this meals is a real and a special treat to enhance the happiness. This will be enhanced. So कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि जो पेट का जो है वो आपके दिमाग तक जाता है. अगर पेट में जाएगा अच्छा चीज़ तो आपका ऑटोमेटिक दिमाग जो है वो हैप्पी रहेगा. अगर 6 बात करें तो डू व्हाट यू लव टू डू. करें जो भी आप करना चाहते हैं. whatever you want to do on these days, okay, let's do it. So what you love. Some of the people's like some of the people's like the traveling, some of the people's like driving, whatever. तो आप जो भी करना पसंद करते हैं वही करें. So it's my self recommend some of the practice like the spending the time with my family, my kids, and traveling with my family. Yes, and also this is my the normal practice. If I will listen the song, old song, especially Rafi and Lata, Kishore, so that time I feel good. So this is also my recommendation. If you want, you can. If you want to try, you can try the listening the music. That also will be helpful for release and de-stressing. So, but sometimes might be the different and unique to every person's. Not as I am recommending to you. This might be the difference, depend on the people's, depend of the unique practice, might be the unique practice to every person. Every person's like and dislike are not the same. So do what you want to do, what you love to do. Okay, so आज का ये है कि आज today is the weekend in Saudi Arabia. So today I have the plans to go outside the home, going to the park. There is the one here, the Corniche on Hill Beach. The destination distance from here around the 16-17 kilometer. My family, my friends also they are coming there. So let's go.